Hey everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to solve a really interesting math problem, that is e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power 2x and e raised to the power 3x. So the first thing which I'm going to do is use a rule of exponent that says that a raised to the power m multiplied by n can be written as a raised to the power n power m, which means the powers can be kind of interchanged when it comes to exponents. So we'll do that here as well. So this can be written as x raised to the power 1 plus e raised to the power x whole power 2, and then this is equal to e raised to the power x whole power 3. Now you see there is a placement of three exponents of the same nature. So now let us suppose that the value of e raised to the power x is equal to m. So this means the first term would be m raised to the power 1, then we have m raised to the power 2, and then this is equal to m raised to the power 3. Now let us rearrange this entire cubic equation and solve this to get the value of m and eventually get the value of x. So this can be written as m cube minus m square minus m is equal to 0. Now if you notice, we can take out m common from this entire term over here. So m taken out as common, this is m square minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. So clearly the product of two numbers here is 0. So either the value of m is 0 or the value of m square minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is the first value, but here we'll be taking out a value, because if we take this as the answer, then e raised to the power x would be equal to 0, and this case is not possible. Hence this particular value of m is now rejected. So now let us solve this quadratic equation and get the value of m. So m would be equal to minus of b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So now the value of m comes out to be 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4 divided by 2, which means that the value of m comes out to be 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So now this means we have two values of m. The first value of m that comes out is 1 plus square root of 5 by 2, and the second value that comes out is 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now clearly if we substitute the value of m as e raised to the power x here, this entire quantity comes out to be negative. And since the value of e less than 0, it absolutely not possible, hence this value in this case is rejected. So that means the only option left now is this one over here. So now the value of m is technically e raised to the power x, so this would be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now after this, let us take natural log on both the sides of the equation, so taking ln on both sides. So now when we take ln on both sides of the equation, we now have a situation where this would be ln e raised to the power x is equal to ln 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now as per the rule of log, this power here will be using a property of log that says that log of a raised to the power b can be written as b log of a. So that means this number over here will jump forward. So this would be x natural log e is equal to natural log 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So now we know that the value of x is the value of natural log of e is always 1. So that means the value of x comes out to be natural log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now the value of square root of 5 is somewhere around 2.236, and when you add 1 onto it, it becomes somewhere around 3.36, and then divided by 2 becomes somewhere around 1.5. So that means this would be somewhere around natural log of 1.5. So we'll take this as the final answer for this particular problem. And if you notice the quadratic equation that we have formed here, this in fact is the only method by which you can kind of use the quadratic formula to calculate the value of this particular quadratic equation. In fact, if you try to use any other method like of polynomials, linear algebra, that really would not work here because of the simple reason that this particular quadratic equation can be solved only using the conventional methods of solving the quadratic equation. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.